These come in 10-foot strips, so you're going to need to splice together 2 rolls. We got the foam applied, now we're just going to put it in. There's a little bit of a squish to it, but not too much. And I think that's the point. So nice. Go ahead and get this one out of the way. This one has a stain, so I'm going to put it down, so that'll be perfect. So you end up needing 3 total of these, if I didn't mention that before. Alright, that one's in, looks great. Let's get some printers on there. I might have to figure out something to get this AMS light like hanging from here. I don't know. I'll work out those details a little later because it's going to be hard to get to the spools on this side. There's plenty of room between X1 Carbon and Snapmaker, but I think overall I might could get away with going up one more because there's a decent amount of room up here. But yeah, overall pretty good. There'll be 3 printers here, some kind of miscellaneous storage here, filament along the bottom, and then more miscellaneous storage up top. Let's turn this on for effect. Eventually I'll have my Graphtec back originally where I had it. I don't know if you can see, yeah, right there. That's my vinyl cutter. If you guys didn't know, I started out in vinyl and I work professionally in the print industry, so I'll probably make some minor adjustments, but overall this is what it's going to look like. Also, let me know if you would, I've heard these things about these concrete pads that people get to put under their printers. Do you think that is worth looking into, or is this going to be just fine? Let me know.